Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get my Bitcoin wallet address, easy method. Open your wallet app, tap Receive, copy the displayed address or QR code, and paste it where needed. Verify the address matches the one shown in your account, check the first and last characters, and confirm the network is Bitcoin. Store the address securely in a password manager or encrypted note for future use today. Start by opening your wallet app and signing in with your credentials. Navigate to the Receive tab, where the wallet generates a fresh Bitcoin address and QR code. Tap the address to copy it to your clipboard, or use the QR code to scan from another device. Always verify the address visually and confirm the network is Bitcoin to avoid sending funds to the wrong chain. Keep a secure backup of receiving addresses. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more Bitcoin tips. Quick recommendation: books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It makes reading guides and managing notes much easier on commutes or coffee breaks. I place the link and other deals in the description, so check those out when you can. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Always verify the Bitcoin address before sending or sharing it. Compare the first and last characters and confirm the QR code matches the copied string. Use a trusted device and app, avoid public Wi-Fi, and check for address replacement malware. For larger transfers, send a small test amount first to confirm receipt. If you detect any mismatch, cancel the transaction and regenerate a new receiving address immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.